Hello guys, welcome to my another tutorial video. In this video I'll show that how to fix Instagram post unavailable problem on Instagram. Solve this problem, you can follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store and update on Instagram application. Tap on search. Click on search icon. Search Instagram application. Update Instagram apps. Update Instagram apps latest version. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Click on apps. Then tap on manage apps. Search Instagram application. Tap on Instagram. Then tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Step 3. Open Instagram app. Tap on profile picture. Tap on 3-dot line. Scroll down. Tap on account privacy. Then turn off your private account. Switch to public account. Step 5. You can solve this problem. Then you can solve this problem. In this video, helpful for you. Please like and subscribe my channel.